Randy Ensign with the Planning Department. I'll be walking through these. Also, Steve Lawrence with the city's engineer has a lot to do with this, as well as Jan Fees, who I believe is here, who applied for and received these grants for us. So last fall, we were in front of council asking for a resolution supporting applying for transportation alternative grants available through ODOT. In spring, we were notified that we were fortunate enough to get 3 of those grants, each for $1 million. The item tonight is approving contracts with ODOTs to accept the money and move on to construction. To give you some idea of where these are in the context of things, this is the city's overall trail master plan, kind of the ultimate vision. The 3 trails we'll be talking about are relatively close to Arcadia Lake tonight. Project 1 is the Spring Creek to Carl Reherman Park Trail. It's a project out of the Arcadia Trails Master Plan. This will connect from the south end of the existing Spring Creek Trail south to 33rd Street. The project is in design. Its expected construction is in the summer of 2024. The city share of this is $1.79 million. Project 2 is Edmond Park to the Spring Creek Trail. This is also out of the Arcadia Trails Master Plan. It's on the north side of the lake, and it's connecting 2 existing trail segments, which you can see in the red and the left and the right. Design is nearly complete. It's under review by the Corps of Engineers. Probable construction is in the spring or summer of 2024. The city share on this one is $2.29 million. And then Project 3. This is a trail along Route 66 from Post to Westminster Road. It's out of the Trail and Bicycle Master Plans. It's not as far along as the other 2. The design will begin later this year. Construction not until the winter of 2025. The city share on that one is $835,583. Note, all these trail segments will be similar to the original Spring Creek Trail, 18 feet wide, not the divided trail that was built along the north edge of the lake. So, happy to answer any questions.
Very nice addition there. Council, any questions, comments? Thank you.
I appreciate the hard work of
getting
obtaining those
money.
grants.
Johnny,